Welcome back to Learning Gimp in a Year, day 31. Let me show you how you can round the corners individually. So in the last video I've shown you, you can create these straight selections and then make straight shapes out of them. So we have 90-degree corners, for example, on a rectangle. But you can also use the rounded corners option right here and then create these pill shapes with an extreme corner or just round the corners a little bit. Let's go to select none. But you might be asking yourself, well, how can we round the corners only on one side or maybe just one corner in total? Well, this is kind of like the limit for Gimp. So it's not meant for these kind of tasks. As you could say, the difference between a program like Inkscape or Adobe Illustrator compared to these more like photo editing softwares like Photoshop and Gimp. To achieve that, we have to trick a little bit and play around with a couple of options, but it's all stuff that I've already introduced in this playlist. To start, we create an empty layer, we create a rounded selection, and we make that black. Then we create a new layer. You can see we still have our selection, so I didn't go to select none. And now I want to get rid of the roundness. And you cannot do that directly here with the two options for rounded corners. You have to go to select and use rounded rectangle. And then this menu will pop up. And here you can see 100% gives us the pill shape. But I cannot adjust that using the radius here. I can only straighten it out by going back to select rounded corners and make that 0%. Now our selection has straight corners. I use the bucket fill tool and I have this shape now on a specific layer. And below we have the rounded shape. Both have the same size. And now we have to give the top layer, which has the sharp edges, a layer mask. Make it fully white. And then make sure that you are on the white element, so the layer mask. Use the brush tool. Black is my foreground color, adjust the size a little bit, and then you just paint over the edges that you want to have round. You can flip the colors and then paint with white over corners if you want to bring them back. So as I've said, it's a little bit more complicated. So currently there is no option to just round a single corner with a slider, with a feature, a two option. You have to do it like this. If you're interested in creating more like digital drawings and you want to search for a free open source tool, I would recommend that you check out Inkscape. You can find tutorials about that on my channel as well. And here it's a little bit easier to create rounded corners, especially for individual corners. But as you can see, with a little bit of a workaround, you can do that in Gimp too. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.